Welcome back. Let's open this up quickly. China NC spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mr. Rajagopalan Shyama Prasad Meka of the Congress, Ajay Verma also of the Congress completes the panel. Mr. Rajagopalan, according to Sam Pitroda's classification, how do you identify yourself or how have you been classified? What are you? Sir, I think you're on mute. Mr. Rajagopalan, you're on mute, sir. Please unmute and start afresh.
Sam Pitroda has done immense injustice to Mallikarjun Kharge because Mallikarjun Kharge is from South India. He looks like an African. And moreover, Devagowda. He thinks that Devagowda is a South African. So these are all things, Mr. Sam Pitroda. It is good that Sam Pitroda, because it will reduce Congress seats by 40, increase BJP seats by 40 in Lok Sabha. Pranesh.
China NC, the Cong would have us believe that now that Sam Pitroda has stepped down, news just coming in, it is all over.
I think this is the most disgusting of a repeat offender called Sam Pitroda. This is not the first time he's made a comment like this. You know what he has said about inheritance, and we all know the kind of crazy commentary to say that, you know, we will take from the rich and give to the poor, and this should be implemented. Cut to this current racist comment. Look at the kind of dialogue. I mean, to distinguish on people in our country on the basis of color has been unheard of. But this is Mr. Rahul Gandhi's so-called mentor, philosopher, guide, who uses this racist slang. And the Congress won't even sack this mentor. What do you have? You just have one odd statement coming out. And this is in the peak of our election time. I'm glad that our Honorable Prime Minister has retorted. And I'd like to say, I used to wonder why the Congress party opposed Draupadi Murmu's candidature as presidential election. But I could not understand. But now I know why they tried to defeat Draupadi Murmuji, who is an Adivasi. An uncle of a Shehzada stays in the US. He is his philosopher and guide. He has said that those who have dark skin are from Africa. Now I have understood that what their opposition to Draupadi Murmuji is, and to say that her skin is dark, so she must be defeated. What are we come to? Is this Congress party even in the right senses to even take any kind of advice from a serial repeat offender called Sam Pitroda, who does all Indians a disservice by his repeated racist slang?
Mr. Meka, which category do you identify yourself in, sir? This is according to the, Sam logic.
Pranesh, first of all, I would like to apologize because I am in travel for the poor quality of the video. Okay, now coming to the issue.
Sir, you should apologize for the poor quality of discourse, sir. Audio is still okay.
Okay. Let me come to the topic. I haven't seen the podcast, but based on what I have read, it's purely racist comment, and it's not coming from any Congress Vichardhara. And he should be taken to task for this. And rest, I will expect himself to clarify if he wants to.
So what is there to, Mr. Meka, but Mr. Meka, listen to me. I'm glad you've taken a position, sir. You've condemned it. But why are you waiting for Sam Pitroda to act against Sam Pitroda? Why can't Mr. Kharge act against him? Why is Rahul Gandhi silent? Priyanka Gandhi, of all people, has trivialized it by saying this is a useless issue. What is useless about this? Imagine, what would you tell Gaurav Gogoi? Does he look like Chinese to you, sir?
No, I don't think any of the Congress people or anybody for that matter should body shame or judge people by the skin of their color, by the way they look, by the way they dress.
This is
right?
worse than body shaming.
Unfortunately, we as a country are led by a leader, the Prime Minister, who tries to identify people by the way they dress, who tries to identify
Prime Minister celebrates diversity. Look at what Sam Pitroda is doing. No, 1 minute. Do you remember Mr. Meka? You know you are a reasonable guy. When Prime Minister was in the Northeast campaigning, and the headgears that he adorned, many in the Congress mocked him for the headgear or the choice of headgear. Let me bring in Verma ji. वर्मा जी 2-3 दिन पहले या करीब पिछले हफ्ते, मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं है, लेकिन हम एक साथ थे और आप सैम पिट्रोदा का गुणगान कह रहे थे. अब उनके हिसाब से आप देखिए, चिदम्बरम जी अफ्रीकन हो गए, गौरव गोगोई चाइनीज हो गए. अब आप बता दीजिए, आप मिस्टर मेका तो अभी भी डिसबिलीफ में है, वो अपना सर ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. आप बताइए, आप कौन से कैटेगरी में आते हैं?
देखिए, ये तो आपकी समझ का फेर है. इस भारत में हर 25 किलोमीटर पर पानी और खाना बदल जाता है, लेकिन जो सैम पित्रोदा का ये अपना विचार है, कांग्रेस पार्टी का कोई विचार नहीं है. जयराम रमेश जी खंडन कर चुके हैं, इंग्लिश में भी हिंदी में भी, और खड़गे साहब उनका इस्तीफा भी स्वीकार चुके हैं. लेकिन अगर हम ये पूछेंगे आपसे कि प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का राजनयिक पासपोर्ट जो मास रेपिस्ट है, वो आज तक कैंसिल क्यों नहीं करा गया?
आई एम ग्लैड. मैं बताता हूं, मैं जवाब देता हूं आपको सर. मैं दूंगा सर. प्रधानमंत्री वैसे हमारे इंटरव्यू में दे चुके हैं, लेकिन वर्मा जी अब आपने पूछा तो अब जवाब सुनिए. प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का पासपोर्ट कैंसिल करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को लिखना पड़ेगा. कब लिखा आपने? जब वो भाग गया था. कांग्रेस की सरकार क्या कर रही थी? आप वेट कर रहे थे. ये एक दिन में 3000 टेप तो बने नहीं. जब बने तो आपने एक्ट नहीं किया. पोलिंग के दूसरे दिन प्रज्वल रेवन्ना भाग गया. उसको किसने इन्फॉर्म किया? आपकी सरकार क्या कर रही थी? ये सवाल है, ये जो प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने इंटरव्यू में पूछा.
नहीं, माइक छोड़ेंगे तो मैं जवाब तो दूं.
छोड़ दिया सर.
बंगाल में, हालांकि किसी भी स्टेट में कुछ होना महिलाओं के साथ ये बड़ा शर्मनाक है. नहीं, जब संदेश खाली का मामला आता है तो वहां के प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं नहीं, ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, सीबीआई, ईडी, एनआईए सब भेज देते. सारे नेता, सारा
प्रधानमंत्री ने इस केस में भी कहा है कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इशू है. देखिए, पिट्रोदा पे आपको मैंने पूछा, अब आप एक्सपोज हो गए पिट्रोदा पे भी और कर्नाटका पे भी. ऐसा क्यों करते मिस्टर मेका?
डबल नीति.
Why is Rahul Gandhi silent? Why are Congress CM silent? Why is Mr. Reddy not speaking? Why is Mr. Siddaramaiah not speaking? I think they must be too shocked with the comparison, because according to Sam Pitroda, Siddaramaiah is an African, so is Revant Reddy.
So Pranesh, just be patient to listen to me. See, Sam Pitroda का इतना महत्व क्यों देते हैं आप
लोगों ने दिया सर. ये कंपनीज राहुल गांधी wherever he goes abroad.
सुनिए, जो श्याम प्रसाद बोल रहा है, जो साथी कांग्रेस से जैसे ही श्याम पित्रोदा, उनका महत्व क्यों नहीं है?
सर, because you don't have access to Rahul Gandhi, he has access to Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Meka, China NC, will this distancing from Sam Pitroda work?
You know, I'm actually shocked, because after insulting India, after insulting Indians, after insulting the president, you're trying to justify it. Rahul Gandhi's silence and Priyanka Gandhi kind of dismissing it as a non-issue is testimony to the fact that they have no remorse at all. Jairam Ramesh just putting out a small tweet to say that, oh, this has not got to do with us. But the Congress Shehzada is taking advice of all these people who are his so-called mentors, who are a disgrace to India and Indianness and the whole story of India abroad. If we are going to talk, we should talk in unanimity, stand up for Draupadi Murmu, stand up for all the Adivasis in our country, and least of all, in this 21st century, when we have shunned this
not just Draupadi Murmu, you know, there is a video doing the rounds in which Champai Soren, the chief minister, was, not treated with the respect that she deserves by Rahul Gandhi. That video has also gone viral on social media. I'm sure you've taken note of it already, but we've run out of time completely. China NC, Mr. Rajagopalan, Mr. Meka, Verma ji, thank you for joining us on Times Now.